Splitting payments on Shopify allows you to divide a customer's payment between different payment methods, like credit cards, gift cards, or alternative payment methods. Shopify doesn't natively support automatic payment splitting, but there are ways to manage this. Here's how. Use Shopify Payments for partial payment methods. Shopify Payments allows you to accept multiple payment methods, such as credit cards, debit cards, and Shopify Pay. However, Shopify doesn't allow you to split the payment across multiple methods automatically. For instance, a customer can choose to use their credit card and then apply a gift card or another payment method, but it's done manually during checkout. Use third-party apps. For more advanced payment splitting, you can install third-party apps from the Shopify App Store. Apps like Payworld, Split or Partial@ly allow customers to split payments into installments, or they provide options for using multiple payment methods. Search for payment splitting apps in the Shopify App Store and choose the one that best suits your store's needs. Manual split for orders. You can manually split payments if a customer wants to pay in parts, but this requires additional communication and manual processing of the order.